Chris Owens, edrych am y bas hir letraws. Neu cyrraedd Pŵl. Pŵl y croesi. I mewn at y canol, Mike Wild yno. Yn curo Simpson at y bel. A Mike Wild yn rhoi Cei Connah ar y blaen wedi 1 munud ar hugen. Oedd hi'n gol syml y bas hir y croesiad a'r cyffyrddiad dibynadwy gan Wild. Holmes ar tafliad. Y flic ymlaen gan Curran i Davies. Davies, y cyfle! A'r cyffyrddiad lleia gan Mike Jones i'w hatal i. Davies. Amser i godi ben, i groesi y golwr don y Dani a ddim yn ei chael i. Dŵl nôl i mewn, mae'r golwr dal i lawr. Dŵl! Oddi ar y llinell, mae dal yno. Mae'n cael ei chlirio yn y pen draw, ond smonach arall yn y cwrt gan Cefn. Cei Connah wedi dechrau'r ail hanner fel o'r ffedn yn hanner cyntaf. Y fflic gan Wild i Curran yn troi'n hyfryd. Davies, mae yna 3 crys coch yn aros amdani yn y cwrt. Wild yw un ohonyn nhw'n cyrraedd! Arbediad gwych arall gan Jones. Cei Connah'n curo'r drws. 10 munud o'r ail hanner di chwarae. Holmes ar tafliad. Arsan ar peniad. Dŵl yn rheoli hi. Morris! O'n hyfryd i Gefn y Rhwyd. Sdim angen torri Cefn y Rhwyd gyda phob ergyd. Morris yn ei anwesu hi mewn i Gefn y Rhwyd a Cei Connah yn hiliannol ddwy ar y blaen. Digonedd amser a lle i chwaraewyr canol cae Cei Connah. Drwch ar y lle o flaen Owen. Davies yn aros amdani. Davies yn croesi. Wild ar y postyn pella'r peniad nôl ar draws. Morris yn cyrraedd. Morris! Rywsut yn ei chael i mewn yn y pen draw. Welwch chi ddim gol mwy bler na honna, ond Morris yn cael ei ail gol mewn 2 munud. Mae'n 2 i Cei Connah nawr a sgwni faint fydd hi ar y chwifan ola. Disney i Owens. Phillips yn ei dwyni. Nawr te, os na gyfle i Cefn wrth ymosod. Mae Flint yno, mae Reid yno, i mewn, mae'n mynd at Flint. O, mae'n gadw iddi fynd. Reid, Jamie Reid! Heibio'r nod. Hyn yn dweud y cyfan am berfformiad Cefn y prawn ma. Holmes y bas letraws yn edrych am Davies, un cefnwr yn llall. Oedd hwnna'n lawiad yn doedd. Green yn pwyntio at ei ben, ond llawiad oedd hi. A Dean John yn pwyntio at ysmotyn. Pnawn y Derwyddon yn mynd o ddrwg i waith. Morris yn curo Jones ac yn sgorio i hat-trick. Mae'n 4 i'r pencampwyr. Cefn ar chwal yn llwyr. Owen yn gri yng nghanol cae o hennill i nôl. A nawr te digonedd amser gan Callum Morris. Davies yn cael ei annog ymlaen gan y faig. Dyma fo nawr, Danny Davies o'r croesiad. Wild yn rhwydo gweitha ymdrechion Jones. Mae nhw wedi chwarae fel pencampwyr y pnawn ma. A mae Davies wedi bod yn ddreinen yn ystlys Cefn drwy'r gêm.
Listen, we're playing at a high intensity. You know, we're fit, we're relentless, we're very lean, and there's an aggression in our pressing at the minute, and it's causing teams problems. And then we're able to mix it up a little bit. You know, there was times today we dominated the ball in the second half and moved it, waiting for the opportunities, and we still managing to hit good diagonal balls. You know, the best team in the country at the minute play more diagonal balls than anybody else. That's Liverpool. Connah's Quay do it at the right times as well. And yeah, we were hard to play against, and you know, they had a couple of players come back from injury, and you know, they'll get stronger as they go on. You know, the squad's still coming together, so it was going to be a tough one. Bottom of the league against top of the league. In the first half, it felt that little way. You know, you needed to take some of them chances, and I said it'll open up once you get to 2 or 3. You'll have countless opportunities, and we did. And we're playing really well at the moment. You know, it's 4. I think we've conceded 2 and maybe scored 14 in 4 games. The last 4 games we've been very, very good. So very pleased, and you know, we're looking forward now till Tuesday. Still picked up a couple of injuries, which is tough, but we've got players coming back now, so we're in a good place.
Well, I think the energy levels and the way we played the first half was a huge improvement since last game against Newtown. So I'm happy for that. Obviously, still a defeat. Connah's Quay, they come here, they were clinical, they took the chances, scored the goals. Nothing to say about it. We just need to keep improving. Keep improving. It's short. It's difficult because a lot of games in a short period of time. But we cannot be crying about it. We just got to bounce back and look forward.
No, as the champions, you know, everyone wants to come and beat us, so we have to be, you know, match that and even, you know, create more intensity, more chances. You know, we could have had a few more again today. which the gaffer's banging on about. But yeah, overall clean sheet, which is always good, and a few goals.